Namaskaram. Today I am going to do Madhubani painting on A3 size. Two birds on tree with sun. I finished my drawing. Now I am going to do tracing. In Madhubani painting, double lines are very important. Like this. I think I already explained about that in my previous video. One side border I used Kachni style and other side Madhubani style. Here I am going to do sun, air and sky effect. First full background I given green color, then leaves I will paint separately. On top of background I am painting leaves like this. So finally I completed like this. Actually I asked to my cat, can you pose my painting? Then he is sleeping like that. So cute. Anyway, thanks for watching. Namaskaram.